Welcome again to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do some escovitch fish fillet. In this pan I got 4 pounds of fillet fish. In this container I got some cut up onion, got some salt, some black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper. I'm going to mix all of this together. And then after mixing it, I'm going to sprinkle it on the pieces of fillets. This will be the only marinade for the fillet. Okay, I've finished marinating the fish fillets and I'll be frying them now. In that pot I have 2 cups oil and it's on medium heat. The pot is hot, so I'll be putting in the pieces of fillet and I'll be frying them on each side for about 3 minutes. I'll fry 2 pieces at a time. The desired finish on these fillet will be a color of golden brown. Oh, lovely this smell. And they're looking lovely already too. I'll be frying them crispy. Okay, when I'm finished frying these, then I'll let you see the end product. Okay, this is the first 3 pieces that I fried, and I got another 3 pieces frying right now. How lovely they look and how delicious they will be tasting. But I'm quite sure that I'm putting a lot of love in this recipe. Okay, I've finished frying the fillets. How lovely they look. Golden brown. Wonderful. Now I'll be frying up the onions. The pot I've put half a tablespoon of allspice, whole allspice. Still medium heat. Then I'll be putting the onions slices. I've separated them. This is the way it's supposed to look. Okay. With a half a cup of oil, and I will put in about a tablespoon of white vinegar, half a teaspoon saffron, Goya saffron, perfect seasoning, stir this up. Quarter teaspoon of chili powder, sprinkle of salt to taste, stir this up. How lovely it looks. And a sprinkle of black pepper to taste. It will not be like the regular escovitch sauce, because I won't be putting no pepper inside of this, neither hot nor sweet pepper, bell pepper. So this is it. Okay, I'll put in the garnish on top of the fillets. Like that. lovely it looks. I'll be having some kids over helping me to eat this today. That's it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for your subscriptions, and thanks for sharing.